Hi, I'm Veena Gidwani and a very happy Diwali to all our viewers. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick, yummy and easy to make snack, Paneer Tikkas, which is great for the festive seasons when guests drop in unexpectedly and goes very well with a chilled glass of Coke. So let's see what goes into making Paneer Tikkas. So let's take a look at the ingredients that go into make Paneer Tikka. I have here 250 grams or 1 large cube of paneer, 1 tablespoon of besan or gram flour, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Amchur powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, half a teaspoon of Chaat or Tandoori Masala. I am using Tandoori Masala, quarter teaspoon of black salt or kala namak, quarter teaspoon of Ajwain, which I have slightly crushed. I have a pinch here of food color, red color, which I will be adding to give it that interesting color. 1 onion sliced into rings, salt to taste, and some oil for frying. So I'm now going to make the masala in this bowl for dipping the Paneer Tikkas. So I'm first going to put in 1 tablespoon of gram flour or besan. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder is added next. I'm now going to put in half a teaspoon of jeera powder. And next it goes 1 teaspoon of Amchur powder. After this, I'm just going to add a little bit of the Tandoori Masala and quarter teaspoon of Ajwain seeds that have been crushed, quarter teaspoon of black salt or kala namak, and just a pinch of red food color, some salt to taste. And now I'm going to mix all of this up. I'll ensure that there are no lumps, and our tikka masala is now ready. I have now emptied out the Paneer Tikka masala onto this plate. I've cut the paneer into thick cubes, as you can see, and I'm now going to roll each of the paneer fingers well into the masala so that the masala sticks very nicely on it before we fry it. So let me start by rolling each. So as you can see, the masala sticks well onto it because the paneer is slightly moist. So as you'll see now, all the paneer fingers have been covered nicely with the masala. I'm going to just let it rest for 2 or 3 minutes so that the masalas get soaked into the paneer, and then we'll start frying. So I have here in this plate the paneer fingers that have been rolled into the masala, and I let them rest for a couple of minutes so that they could get well absorbed, the masala could get well absorbed into the paneer. So I'm now going to fry the paneer fingers in this kadhai, in which I have put in 1 small bowl of oil. The oil is heated, so we are ready to fry now, and these go in one at a time. And now these are almost done. So they are now getting evenly browned. They're crisp on the outside, but soft and tasty on the inside. So I'm now going to place them on this tissue. So our Paneer Tikkas are absolutely ready to serve, and I think they look yummy. And I'm going to take a bite now. It's easy to make, as I said, ready for guests when they come in 5 minutes, and great with a glass of Coke.